What's up guys, and welcome back to another video of the mini bike build. And today we're gonna be installing the new parts that came from Amazon, which is, if you watched part 2 of the mini bike build, I said that we needed a new brake caliper, which is right here, and we needed a new clutch, which is right here. So we're going to be installing that today, and possibly we'll be seeing if we can get it on the road today. I'm not making any promises, but we're going to be installing the clutch first to get that over with, and then after that we'll do the rear brake. So hope you enjoy, and let's get started. So first, let's get started by mounting on the clutch. So, this clutch disc did come with a pair of set screws, which is very nice because I'm gonna need them in this. So they're here, and this came in a small Ziploc bag. And this is the clutch. It's really nice, brand new from Amazon. So let's see if we can get it on here, and let's go from there. Alright, so it looks like for this, forgot, but we are gonna need the 5/16 bolt with a washer that'll basically hold this in place, because otherwise it's gonna slip off. So I'll see if I have anything. If not, I'm gonna have to run to Advanced Auto Parts, try to get one there. But now I want to see if I can get the chain on, because I want to get the chain on and see, and then from there we'll align the engine. So now let's go do the brake caliper first, and then after we'll do the chain. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So we got the chain here. So now let's get it on here and measure it so that we can get the right length. Alright, so I got the chain shortened to the correct length. So now let's put it back on and connect it. Oh no. Sorry about that, guys, but I lost a bolt. So I'm moving the production over here because over there I got grooves in the ground and I don't want to lose any of my bolts. So we're just going to continue from here. So I'll put the chain back on and trying to get this thing mounted on so that we could give it a test ride. I'm not going to put on the back brakes for now on the back brake caliper because I'm having trouble mounting it on. So but I am gonna have to figure out what's going on with it because these mini bikes, they're just so complicated. So I'll do that another time, but for now I just want to get the chain mounted on and I just want to give it a test run because I can't wait to get this thing running. So alright, so I got the chain mounted on, finally. It's just a pain in the butt just to put that thing on, but got it in there. It's got good tension. So now I'm gonna mount the engine on so that's not wobbling back and forth. And then I'm gonna put the rusty old seat on and I'm just gonna take it for a ride. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so we got everything assembled and we're taking it to the road. So I'll meet you there. Alright, let's start it up and take it for a run. So it doesn't have brakes, so it's gonna be kind of hard to ride it. But let's see if we can. So it runs, so let's get it on the road. Alright, so we're gonna take it for a test ride, so let's get it.